Hello everyone, this is Vmade CNC. Now you're seeing the video is the Vmade Machining Center. We have two places in the center. The first place is welding center, as you can see in the video. Next we're gonna see the milling center. You can see here the milling machines. We have two milling machines. The first milling machine is doing the process of the gantry accuracy to keep the gantry absolutely straight. The second machine is doing the bed accuracy to keep the bed absolutely straight and vertical.